In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add autoplay videos in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a video on your page and have it start playing the moment visitors land there, without extra clicks. Start on your site dashboard and click Website, then Pages. This takes you to your site's page list so you can choose exactly where your video should live. Open the page you want to enhance. Think of the section where a moving visual will make the most impact, like a hero area or a feature section. In the page editor, click Add Block at the top left and select Video. Squarespace will show you a new video block ready to place. Drag and drop that video block to the precise spot you want on the page. As you move it, look for the placement guides so you can line it up with your layout. If it doesn't feel right, don't worry, you can always drag it again later. Now, double-click the video block to open its settings. This is where you'll add your content and fine-tune how it behaves. You can upload a new video from your device, or, if you've already added media to your site before, choose it from your library to save time and keep things consistent. When you upload, give Squarespace a moment to process the file. Larger videos can take longer. Inside the settings, enable the autoplay option for the selected video. That's the key switch that tells Squarespace to start the video automatically. Keep in mind, most modern browsers require autoplaying videos to be muted, and mobile devices can be stricter. If you notice the video starts silently, that's expected behavior designed to protect the viewing experience. Viewers can still tap to unmute if controls are visible. For a smooth, professional result, aim for a short clip that loops well and loads fast. Compressed MP4 files encoded with H.264 typically perform reliably and help your page feel snappy. If your video is very large, consider trimming the length or lowering the resolution slightly so it begins playing without delay. Clear file names also help you find the right version in your library later. Once autoplay is enabled, preview the page to confirm the placement and pacing feel right. If you need to nudge the block up or down, drag it to a new spot and check again. And that's it. You've added a video and set it to autoplay on your Squarespace page. Thanks for watching, and enjoy bringing your pages to life with motion.